Hey, how's it going, guys? Jack here from Addictive Tips. So this video, we're going to be talking about how to install the Simplenote application. So Simplenote, if you don't know, is a note-taking application made by the creators of WordPress. So let's go to simplenote.com really quick. I wrote an article about this, and if you want the instructions on how to get this application working on your Linux distribution, please check it out. But the cool thing that I like about Simplenote is that it syncs between platforms. So if you get it on your iPhone, like I have, or you have an Android phone and you have it on the Linux desktop, or even like Mac OS and Windows as well, you can sync your notes between everything. But the cool thing is if you download for Linux, they have a ton of different packages. They have support for Ubuntu and Fedora, and they even have an Arch package here. I'm pretty sure they have an app image. So there's a lot of different ways you can install this. My favorite way of using Simplenote, however, is through the Snap Store. And in this video, we're going to be covering it this way, just because most people can run snaps at this point on Linux. Most people do use snaps in one way or another. And you can learn about how to get that working in the Simplenote tutorial that I wrote. But to install it, you'd first do snap find Simplenote. And now this is going to tell us that the version 1.3.3 Snap package is in the Snap Store by the Snapcrafters and publisher. And then you can just highlight this, click copy, sudo snap install Simplenote. Enter your password. It's going to download the package from the stable channel, and you can install it. And while we're waiting for that, I guess I can go over all the different packages. So as I said, there's a Debian package which works on most, if not all, Debian-based distributions and Ubuntu-based distributions. Then you've got the app image, which you can download on any Linux operating system that exists and execute that. There's also RPMs for Fedora and Red Hat, and there's a bunch of different stuff. So if you need this application on Linux, you're going to get it. There's a bunch of different. There's even a source code download page. They've got Mac support. They've got a lot of different updates here, and they document everything on the GitHub. So it's useful. I really like the app. It's definitely worth using. So now that our snap is done installing, it's going to mount it, set it up, and automatically connect to all the stuff. Then we can go through and search for Simplenote and open it up. The cool thing about snaps in GNOME is that it automatically integrates. If you're using a different distribution, it might not show up right away. But here we go. We got snap packages, and we've got our Simplenote snap in particular working. And you can go ahead and log in. I'm not going to log in with my account because I've got a lot of private information in there and don't necessarily want that, but it's a full-on application. You can export, import, print, and do different stuff. So that's going to do it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.